PUSopen is simple. It's the exact opposite of the large and complex frameworks. And it's the simplicity that allows us to quickly customize it and extend it for any mission. PUSopen flew in space for the first time in 2021 with a mission called Wild Ride with D-Orbit. Some teams are using it as part of their onboard software, other teams are using it for prototyping their space application software, or in their ground station, or simply as a test tool. It will take you about 2 hours to build it and link it with your code, and that's already with a coffee break. The library is independent of the underlying operating system. We've built it for Linux, Windows, Intel, ARMS, RISC-V, MSP430, Zinc, and many other platforms. You'll get a full source code, so you can rebuild it for your specific platform. We have wrappers for Python and C# if you prefer to use those languages. PUSopen meets the highest reliability standards that you can find in the space industry, so you can quickly build the trust in its functions. It's not a library, it's the whole package that you get, starting with the CCSDS and PUS training, integration support during testing and pre-launch campaigns, and the actual operations. You will also get the integration and the tailoring checklists to ensure that everything is predictable and set as it should be. We often hear that we just need to send this one small packet here and one small packet there. Well, reality is that it will take months just to read the standards, to deal with everything that is not in the standards, then implement it, integrate it, and test it, and then you need to maintain that code for years. And you can save all of that work, you can get the training and the PUSopen in a few days, and continue focusing on your application code. And one more thing, we are here 24/7. So if you get stuck, if you need a quick opinion, if you need help with any architecture or application code, just send us an email at contact@12gfs.com or quickly call us. My name is Slavo Petrik, and I look forward to talking to you.